Hey guys, this is Naman Rao. I hope you're doing well. Today this video is all about cementation of IPS, e.max, CAD or press using multilink automix cement. Please make sure you follow all these steps after removing the temporary restoration, fit checker and pre-fit radiograph. The first step towards cementation is etching the crown for 20 seconds using porcelain etch gel 9.6% hydrofluoric acid. Make sure this only goes in the crown and not on the tooth surface. 20 seconds later, rinse it well and make it dry. Next, apply Ivoclean for 20 seconds in the crown using micro brush. Let it react there for 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, make sure to rinse and air dry it properly. Next, apply monobond using micro brush inside the surface of the crown and let it sit for 1 minute. Since this bonding is self-curing, you don't need to cure it. Now going on to the tooth surface, mix multilink A and B and apply all together on all over the tooth surface. Air dry it, and as I said, this is self-curing, you don't need to cure it. Coming to the final step, dispensing of multilink inside the surface of the crown. Make sure you apply the cement all the way to the top. Don't leave it halfway thinking the rest of the cement will ooze out when you fit the crown. This will not happen in many cases, and then you will see that there is no marginal seal in the post-cement radiograph. So be careful about this. After you gently place the crown, use a half cycle on the buccal and lingual side to cure it. Why do we use half cycle? Because if you use full cycle, the cement will be hard rock and it will be difficult for you to remove. With a half cycle, the cement will go to a stage of a jelly-like structure, and that will be very easy for you to remove it with hand instrument or even a floss. For this, I usually recommend make a knot on your floss and go back and forth into the interproximal surface, and that will take away 95% of all the cement. You may use sickle scaler, you may use any other instrument which you're comfortable with. Once you're done with that, cure it completely. And here we go. We are done with the cementation. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. And if you have any comments, please go and comment in the comment section. I'll be very happy to learn and reply. And please do share and subscribe this channel so that it can reach maximum people.